A leaking kitchen sink can be a frustrating issue, but there are several possible reasons why it may be happening. One common cause is a clogged P-trap, which can occur when debris, gunk, and food particles accumulate over time, causing a blockage. As a result, water is forced outside of the P-trap and into the bottom of the sink. Another reason for leakage is damaged or corroded parts, as metals are prone to corrosion, especially in older sinks with metal P-traps and components. Additionally, loose drain connections, such as shut-off valves, P-trap drain pipes, or other pipe joints, can also cause leaks underneath the sink. To fix the issue, it's essential to identify the cause of the leak. If the problem is a clogged P-trap, cleaning it out and ensuring it's free of blockages before replacing it can resolve the issue. If the leak is due to damaged or corroded parts, replacing them with new ones can fix the problem. For loose connections, tightening the loose joint with a hand or screwdriver can often resolve the issue. By addressing these potential causes, you can fix the leak and prevent further damage to your kitchen sink.